I got something real important to say about this channel. So if you care about this channel at all, check it out. Now, welcome back to We Shoot Films, where I teach content creators and entrepreneurs how to build their brand or business through video and audio. So if that's you, make sure to subscribe today. Today, I want to talk about where and how this channel is going to move forward and how it's supposed to have moved, but somehow it escaped me. And I'm going to just keep it 100 with y'all. All right. This is not an Unreal Engine channel. I happen to do Unreal Engine, and I apply Unreal Engine it's just another tool for filming. It's like filming for me. But this is not a dedicated Unreal Engine channel. I want to make that clear. Somehow when I started creating all these Unreal Engine videos, it just became an Unreal Engine channel. And no, I am a cinematographer by heart. I shoot movies, commercials, music videos. I do narrative work. I understand lighting, audio, cameras, YouTube, all of this stuff. This is what I do. Teaching people how to create content, teaching people how to light correctly, audio, all of those things. This is a content creating channel that will once in a while, whenever it needs to be done, I will show you Unreal Engine stuff because that happens to be what I'm working on. I see Unreal Engine as a tool, as an extension of what I do. And I still believe if you're into Unreal Engine, you should be into content creating because all those things apply. Learning how to light, learning how to shoot correctly, learning composition, all of these things apply. So, you know, if you're into Unreal Engine, you should be into these other things that I want to teach. You know what I mean? If you're serious about it, because they all apply. In order to get a great looking Unreal Engine, you have to understand lighting, composition, all of these things, even your camera and lenses. You got to understand these things. It's just on a virtual level. If you want to unsubscribe, then you can. But what I'm saying is this, look, if you're here just for Unreal Engine, please unsubscribe. If that's all you care about, you don't care about content creation, you don't care about learning how to light or do camera work or anything like that, please unsubscribe. I promise you, because this is not an Unreal Engine channel, and I'm not about to let this Unreal Engine take over my channel. I was actually starting another channel, which I already did, but it's too much work. And I love Reshoot Films. This is what I've created. This is my brand. This is my home, Reshoot Films. It's just me. So, you know, if that's all you desire is only Unreal Engine, I'm telling you right now, this is not the channel for you. All right. But if you enjoy content creation, learning how to light, learning how to do this thing for real with video to grow your brand or your business, or, you know, at the end of the day, this is all to grow our brand or business, learning, getting knowledge. If that's what you're into, this is it for you. This is the channel for you. I got you. Trust me. You feel me? And I will do Unreal Engine as it's needed. You know, I create Unreal Engine stuff when I need to. I do a lot of green screen. So whenever I have any kind of green screen work, I use Unreal Engine, and then I will show it to you and tell you things, you know. But at the same time, this is not the channel for that, if that's all you want, okay? This is first a content creating channel that helps build brands or businesses. I help you. I can coach you. That's what I do, okay? Just want to make this clear, all right? Because I'm not about to lose this channel to Unreal Engine. As much as I love Unreal Engine, I love content creating way more, all right? So hopefully you're still down with me. I appreciate everybody who's been here, everybody who subscribes and all this stuff, but I really just need to make this known and you know, so that you're not surprised when, yo, why isn't he putting out a lot of Unreal Engine stuff? Because this is not an Unreal Engine channel, all right? This is a content creating channel. I keep saying it because that's what it is. And now I do understand for y'all who love Unreal Engine, I get it, okay? I get it. But like I said, easily you can contact me. If you need help with Unreal Engine, contact me. You know what I mean? You could book consultation calls if you need to get more deeper into how to learn it or how to do what I do. You know what I'm saying? I'm here for you. You know what I mean? If you got a question and I can answer it very quickly, I will. No problem. You know what I mean? I got a lot of Unreal Engine content here that can pretty much help you. And then if you need further assistance, definitely book a consultation call and I'm down with you. You know what I'm saying? I'm here to help you. But other than that, I just, wanted to make that clear, because I understand. But again, I'm going to say it again. If you're trying to learn Unreal Engine, you need to learn about your cameras, lenses, lighting. All of these things will apply. I keep telling people all the time, they want to jump right into Unreal Engine without understanding the basics of real cinematography or the basics of just shooting. You know what I'm saying? And it's not going to look good because you don't even know the basics. Like the same thing you would apply in real life, you literally apply it in Unreal Engine. And that's all I do. All right. I don't get into crazy blueprints. I don't get into the other crazy stuff of Unreal Engine. That's for another channel. But if you like to do what I do, make a great cinematic image inside of Unreal Engine, that's what I do. All right. I can teach you that. I can show you that when it's time. And if I'm not showing it to you again, contact me personally and I'm there for you. You feel me? But other than that, I don't know. I'm just saying, hopefully you stick around. I appreciate you. But if you're not going to comment, if you're not going to really engage, let's keep it 100. What's the purpose, right? If you have any comments or questions, you know where to leave them. You feel me? I always reply. Other than that, I appreciate all of y'all. You feel me? And, I'm looking to grow and I just want to be engaged. I want to be with people that want to engage with me, that want to leave comments, that want to like it, that want to really be a part of a community. All right? Because that's what I'm trying to grow. I want people here that really want to be here, that want to learn, that want to communicate with me, and, that's what it is. All right, y'all. So that's what it is. Hopefully you're still down with me. If not, no love lost. You feel me? I just really love my channel. Reshoot Films. I love my logo. I try to start the other channel, and it's slowly growing. You know what I'm saying? In 2 months, I got it up to like 260 subscribers, but I miss We Shoot Films. This is me. This is home. So no, I'm not going to lose my channel. You know what I'm saying? Just because of Unreal Engine. I'm not going to do that. We teaching content here. You feel me? So stay with me, stick with me, and you're going to enjoy the ride. We're going to do behind the scenes stuff. You know what I mean? We're going to do a lot of stuff that's dealing with content creating and sprinkle into some Unreal. All right? So that's what it is. Be blessed. Keep God first. And remember to subscribe. Hit the bell on the side so you get notified on time. And like I always say, it is what it is. I'm out, y'all.